today's video, we're cooking paksiw. I don't know what to call this kind of fish, but it's look like atin ng sapsap ba ito? Wala. Dapat kasi ipa-fried ko yan siya, guys, but since wala tayong maraming oil, tsaka parang hindi na rin maganda yung puro oil sa katawan, but let's do this. I'm trying to cook paksiw in a very simple way. So, yan, nilagay ko na dyan yung fish, which is already marinated with garlic and soy sauce. And of course, meron na rin niyang panimpla. There you have it. And guys, here, I have
sorry, it's ginger.
Shara! Add more tomatoes. Pasensya na, nakakamay lang ako kasi alam niyo naman, wala tayong kitchen dito. Pang madalian lang ito. There you go. Is it colorful? How do you like it so far, guys? Have some onions. There you go. So, yeah. Ganyan lang siya ka-easy. And then, we add some oil. Any cooking oil will do. But, for me, I'm just using this, Chinese brand siya, guys. I don't know what is this. Just a drop of oil. Oh, that's too much. Huwag nyo gagayahin. Konti lang dapat, okay? Meron na siyang black pepper anyway, and then nilagyan ko na rin siya ng pampalasa. Siyempre, hindi ko babanggitin kasi hindi naman siya sponsor. Alright, guys. So, meron pa, we need add some tomatoes kasi medyo pa siya. Medyo masaya yung ating background. Marami sila dyan. Pasensya. Ayan. Alright, guys. Now, lastly, I'm going to add some water. Na yung pinagmarinate natin, hindi ko na yan siya hinugasan kasi meron pang garlic. Alright, there you go. Now we're going to on the fire. And yeah, ganyan. So it should be covered, pero wala kasi akong pang cover niya, nasa taas pa. So yan na natin ganyan siya. Wait na tayo, kumukulo na ang ating paksiw. Ooh. Kung naaamoy nyo lang siya, guys, smells so good. Very good. Paksiw for today, guys. Paksiw na fish. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my belly. Love it. Yan na, guys. I think it's almost cooked. Pinain ko na yung far. Pero lagyan ko pa siya ng konting panlasa. Konti lang kasi siya kanina. So, ayan, guys. Tikman na natin. Ayan, pwede na, guys. So, there you go, guys. It's almost cooked. And, yeah, it's kahit na ganyan siya, hindi masyadong kaaya-aya ang kanyang itsura, but it tastes very good. Also good, guys. Let's have it. Let's see. Ayan na, guys. It's cooked na. Medyo nasunog na siya sa part na to, but, yeah, it's okay lang yan. Masarap yung ganyan klase ng pagkaluto. Kailangan nyo medyo dry yung kanyang sabaw.